Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make BBQ sauce with fresh tomatoes, updated. Start by washing and quartering 4 pounds of ripe tomatoes. Cook tomatoes down slowly with onion, garlic, and 1/4 cup apple cider vinegar until soft. Blend smooth, then simmer with brown sugar, smoked paprika, and a pinch of salt. Taste and adjust sweetness or heat, then cool and jar for storage. Serve with grilled meats or veggies. Collect your ingredients before you start to keep the process smooth and fun. You will need 4 pounds ripe tomatoes, 1 large onion, 3 cloves garlic, 1/4 cup apple cider vinegar, 1/2 cup brown sugar, 2 tablespoons smoked paprika, and salt to taste. Chop the onion and mince garlic so they cook evenly. Measure spices ahead and taste as you go to balance sweetness and acidity. This prep saves time during the simmer stage. Quick recommendation: if you enjoy recipe videos like this, please subscribe and like so you don't miss future uploads. On another note, the Kindle Paperwhite makes reading recipes and notes easy anywhere with a glare-free screen and long battery life. It fits in a bag while heading to the grill and holds hundreds of cookbooks. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Simmer tomatoes slowly to concentrate flavor without burning, about 45 minutes to an hour on low heat, stirring occasionally. Mash or blend to desired texture, then return to the pot and simmer with brown sugar, vinegar, and spices until thickened to your preferred consistency. Cool completely before transferring to sterilized jars, leaving headspace for expansion. Refrigerate up to 2 weeks or freeze in portions for longer storage. Label jars with date and contents.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.